How to view your like posts on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you how you can view your like posts on Facebook. So, to get started, go ahead and open Facebook into your device and then click on the search icon at the top right of your screen. Under this, you'll find this your like posts. So, click on that, and then in this section, you'll be able to find all of the posts you've liked on Facebook, sorted from the latest into the very last post that you've liked in the past few days. So you'll be able to find all of that post, such as a photo, video, or a specific status that you've liked on Facebook. So to view if you did really like the post, you can go ahead and click on the post and you'll be able to find the reaction that you've made for this specific post. And that is how you can basically view your like post on Facebook.